Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with basecamptrading.com. Just want to make a quick video to go over Cardinal Health here on the weekly chart. So we have a potential weekly bull flag for next week, suggesting higher prices. So we have low, and then we have a higher pivot low right here. And if we take out this week's high, which is currently 229.86, if we get above here, next week, we would trigger the bull flag to potentially move up to the 243.25 area. So that's what I'm watching for next week. Momentum is still bullish here. So watch for that to trigger and see if we get more upside. But if you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 1-month access. And you can get access to that if you email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.